Hi, this is David from freetimetech.com. This networking optimizer for Windows 10 allows you to change many network and Windows settings. It has over 40 tweaks you can choose from. It is good for use in deploying Windows 10 computers as a computer technician. In this video, I'll show you how it works. Some changes may require boot to take effect. Download the software from our website. Look under this video for a link to our website. Launch the program. You might see this pop up preventing you from running our program. Don't worry, we're just a new software developer. That's why you see this. Click More Info and run anyway. You can see the program is split into two. The left side is for common networking settings that you might need to change. The right side is for tweaks that you might want to change. For example, here are the visual settings that can be disabled to make Windows 10 faster. Over here, you can turn off search indexing to speed up Windows. Do this if you have a solid state drive, SSD. The checkboxes with black squares means that this setting is optimized already. Put a check to optimize the setting. Click Reply and reboot.